My name is Harshada Satodkar Kamat. I have done my graduation in arts and after that I work as a facility manager. After marriage, when I got pregnant, I decided to take a break from my job. And one day I realized it's been 3 years that I am not working. But now it's a time. I need to focus again on my career. But I was confused. Where should I start from? My husband, he is in IT, working as a cybersecurity analyst. I was always looking his work profile and his work culture, which always attracted me towards it. So I started researching cybersecurity education and job opportunities. Even though I am from arts background, I can pursue cybersecurity education. So I googled so many institutions and found one of the most reviewed institute, which is IIS, Institute of Information Security. I went there personally to get more details about it, and I felt so confident the way they explained me that how I can make a good career in cybersecurity. Now I am a housewife with no technical background, and it was so difficult for me to get into cybersecurity. However, I decided to join IIS. During initial days, I felt so scared, but day by day, I started gaining more confidence and motivation from my faculties. IIS has very good infrastructure and technological resources with very friendly and cooperative faculties. In Feb 2020, I attended my first lecture, but only after a month, COVID-19 pandemic started. The situation was so unexpected, which led me to go under stress and demotivation. Because it was just a month when I started my physical classroom trainings, I thought it would be end of my career, aspiration and education. But thanks to IIS, they did not give up on their students. They conducted a conference call with us and explained about virtual classroom training. Virtual training gave me so positive hopes to resume my studies. With respect to all government guidelines, IIS started giving online lectures to their students. IIS has created well-planned and comprehensive syllabus to ensure our learning don't stop amid the coronavirus spread. The best part is the course is hosted on cloud, which means I don't have to go through the hassle of installing multiple software in my system. It's a 3-hour online lecture with 20 minutes refreshment break in between. Every day we join the virtual class at sharp 10 am using the Skype link provided by the institute. The class ends at 1 pm. Mr. Safal from Operation Department, he connects with us regularly to discuss and resolve the problems which we are facing during the virtual class. As soon as we finish the module, Ms. Dhwani, she is placement coordinator. She connects with us to take a quick feedback about the lecture. On daily basis, we receive modules, study material and complete lecture recordings via email for self-study. Additionally, IIS also conducts weekly online exam to assess my understanding of the course content. Overall, I can say I am experiencing everything which I was actually expecting in physical classroom training, where I can manage my family and my education both in balance. Now my home is my classroom and my classroom is my home. Thank you IIS for giving this wonderful opportunity and facility to your students who are looking for their bright future in cybersecurity.